Hi students, how are you all? Welcome to the class. Good evening everyone. We are solving problems of three-dimensional geometry. So I welcome you all for our problems of three-dimensional geometry. So hello Sanjeev, hi Lakshmi, evening to everyone. Shant, Papa, welcome to the class. As I said yesterday, all of you must attend the class so that I go on continuing solving of problem I was solving on three-dimensional geometry. Let us see how many of you are going to attend today. Most of you said that you are going to attend the class today. I'm waiting for all those to attend the class. Now only 11 members have joined the class. So let us see by the end of class how many are going to join. Okay. So all of you, I think, have understood the yesterday's problems. So if you have any doubts from the yesterday's problems, you can ask. And almost today I am going to complete this chapter, and here I am going to solve only the important problems here. So I have collected only the selection of important problems from all your previous year question papers, as well as the important problems of your reduced syllabus. Okay, so from these videos you can get really very good knowledge, as well as I can that you can get more than 50 marks from watching these videos. So for that, please be regular to the class. Please be regular to the class so that you can also understand the problems. Clear? Okay. So tell all your friends to join the class. Let us start the class. Yesterday's class, we have covered all these problems, and I think I have given the fourth problem as homework. I have solved first one, second one, and third one. Fourth one was homework problem, and one was from your reduced syllabus. So I think everyone have solved the fourth problem. Anyways, fourth problem is repeated. That is the same as your third problem. So that's why I said it is for homework problem. So you will get the same answer for the fourth problem what you got for the third problem. Clear? All of you quickly tell me, understanding the problems of three-dimensional geometry. So hi, Yamnappa, Anand, Aishwarya, Gaudar, Lakshmi, Purnima, Prince, Vasan Gowda, Sovian, Lakshmi, all of you have joined the class today. And tell all your friends also to join the class that we can continue with our next problems. Say the problems of equation of the plane passing through the line, equation of plane passing through the line at intersection of the planes, at intersection of the planes. Okay, so what will be given in these problems? First you understand these problems, they will give, see, these problems they will give two planes, they will give two planes and one point, they will give two planes and one point. So you have to find the intersection, you have to find the equation of, you have to find the equation of new plane, new plane which is passing through this two planes intersection. Okay, so that is the problem here. Clear? So first you understand the problem carefully and then we can solve it. Clear? So let us see the problem. That is, find the equation, find the equation of the plane passing through intersection of planes 3x minus y plus 2z minus 4 equal to 0 and x plus y plus z minus 2 equal to 0 at the point 2 comma 2 comma 1. Okay, so here the two planes are intersecting. The third plane is passing through the intersection of those two planes, and intersection point is given as 2 comma 2 comma 1. That is what the question here. Okay, that we have to solve. So for that you have to remember one formula, that is equation of the plane passing through the intersection of two planes. Here solution of the first problem, that is, you have to remember one simple formula, that is pi 1 plus lambda times of pi 2 equal to 0. So this you have to remember. Here that means pi 1 is plane 1, and pi 2 is plane 2. Pi 2 is plane 2. Okay. Pi 1 plus lambda times of pi 2 equal to 0. This you have to remember. From this you have to solve the equation of intersection of two planes. Clear? That is, now I will solve. Please go through it very carefully. Here pi 1 is 3x minus y plus 2z minus 4 plus lambda times of pi 2 is x plus y plus z minus 2 equal to 0. Is the equation of plane passing through intersection of two planes, and given point is given point is 2 comma 2 comma 1, that you have to put in the value of x y z. So use this point in the form of x y z. What it will be? 3 into 2 minus y is 2 plus z is 1 minus 4 plus lambda times of x is 2, y is 2, z is 1 minus 2 equal to 0. Tell me, all of you, have you understood this? First you write this formula. Write plane 1, write plane 2 equation, put the point, and this will be 6 minus 2 plus 2 minus 4. 6 minus 2 plus 2 minus 4 plus lambda times of 2 plus 2 plus 1 minus 2 equal to 0. So here you can see minus 2 plus 2 will get cancelled, plus 2 minus 2 will get cancelled, and the remaining terms are going to be 6 minus 4 is 2 plus lambda times of 2 plus 1 is 3 equal to 0. So lambda will be equal to minus 2 by 3. So quickly tell me, all of you, have you understood of finding the lambda value? Lambda is minus 2 by 3. So once you get the lambda value, use that in your equation. Once you get the lambda value, use that in your equation. Your equation is 3x minus y plus 2z minus 4. Put lambda value here and simplify it. Once you get the lambda value, use it in equation. What is your equation? 3x minus y, 3x minus y plus z minus 4 plus lambda times of plus y plus z minus 2 equal to 0. This is your equation, right? So that is now 3x minus y plus 2z minus 4. Lambda value is how much? Lambda value is minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3 into x plus y plus z minus 2 equal to 0. So here you have to take LCM and you have to simplify. If I take LCM, is 3 times of 3x minus y plus 2z minus 4 minus 2 times of x plus y plus z minus 2 will be equal to 0. The complete term will be divided by 3. You take that on LHS, 3 into 0 will be 0. Here. So therefore, take LCM and you simplify it. You're getting my point? So now 3 into 3 is 9x minus 3y plus 6z minus 12 minus 2x minus 2y minus 2z plus 4 equal to 0. 9x minus 2x is 7x minus 3y minus 2y is minus 5y plus 6z minus 2z is plus 4z minus 12 plus 4 is minus 8 equal to 0. So this will be your required answer. Only one answer I have got from Veena, that is correct. Now Lakshmi is also giving the right answer, 7x minus 5y plus 4z minus 8 equal to 0. This is your required answer. So quickly tell me all of you, have you got the right answer? First you understand. If you don't know, please understand it first. Then we can simplify it. No problem. For that, first you understand the problem clearly. Then we can solve it. No problem. Quickly all of you tell me, have you understood this problem or not? If you understand this, then we can go for the next problem. Once you understand this, we can go for the next problem. Quickly tell me, all of you, have you understood or not? Okay. So now we shall go for the next problem. Now we can go for the next problem. That is, find the equation of plane passing through the intersection of two planes. Here the second problem is find the equation of plane so quickly you also start to solve the problem because it is same problem as the first one. Quickly you also start to solve it. Find the equation of the plane to the line of intersection of the planes x plus 2y plus 3z minus 4 and 2x plus y minus 2z plus 5 equal to 0 through the point 1 comma 1 comma 1. So all of you start to solve the problem. I will also solve and let us verify the answers. Quickly start to solve the problems. I will also solve it, no problem, but let us verify our answers. Okay, because it is same as the first one. That's why I am telling quickly all of you start to solve the problem. Okay, so here pi 1 plus pi 2, that is x plus 2y plus 3z minus 4 plus lambda times of 2x plus y minus 2z plus 5 equal to 0. And the given point is 1 comma 1 comma 1. All of you, you solve and tell the answer directly by looking at some answers. Don't tell the answer. Okay. So x value is 1, y value is 1, this will be 2, z value is also 1, this will be 3, minus 4 plus lambda times of is 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 5 will be equal to 0. Plus 4 minus 4 cancelled, plus 2 minus 2 cancelled. This will be 2 plus 6 lambda equal to 0. So lambda will be equal to 2 by 6, that is minus 1 by 3. Lambda will be equal to minus 1 by 3. Lambda is minus 1 by 3. Okay, very good. So now using this lambda, let us find the value of our equation. Use this in lambda term. That will be plus 2y plus 3z minus 4. Okay, plus y plus 3z minus 4. Z minus 4. Lambda value is minus 1 by 3 into 2x plus y minus 2z plus 5. 2x plus y minus 2z plus 5 minus 2z plus 5 equal to 0. Verify your equations. X plus 2y plus 3z minus 4, x plus 2y plus 3z minus 4, 2x plus 5 minus 2z plus 5 equal to 0. Now if I simplify this, it will be 3x plus 6y plus 9z minus 12 minus 2x minus y plus 2z minus 5 equal to 0. Okay, that is 3 into x is 3x, 3 into 2 is 6y, 3 into 3 is 9z, 3 is 12. 2x minus y plus 2z minus 5. 3x minus 2x is x. 6y minus 5y is, 6y minus y is 5y. 9z plus 2z is plus 11z. Minus 12 minus 5 is minus 17 equal to 0. This must be your required answer. So all of you quickly tell me, have you got the same answer or not? Quickly reply me, all of you, have you got the same answer? That is x plus 5y plus 11z minus 17 equal to 0. All must get the same answer. Very good. So some of you are replying as yes. What about others? All has to reply, no problem. Don't get the answer, you can see the video and again you can solve it. Clear? So quickly reply me, all of you. Have you understood this or not? Now we can go for third problem. All of you have understood this. We can go for the third problem. The third problem, we have little bit change in the third problem. Can anyone tell me what is the difference from first problem to second problem to third problem? What is the difference between first 1 and 2 and the third problem? See the third problem, find the equation of the plane passing through the intersection of the planes r dot 2i cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap equal to 7, r dot 2i cap plus 5j cap plus 3k cap equal to 9 through the point 2 comma 1 comma 3. Can you tell me what is the difference between third problem and other two problems? In the third problem, they have given vector form of the plane. They have given vector form of the plane. Very good. So this vector form of the plane has to be written in the form of Cartesian. This vector form has to be written in the form of Cartesian. Then you have to solve it. Okay. How to write it in the Cartesian form? First you see. First we have to solve it in the Cartesian form. Write the vector form. What is the vector form? R dot I cap plus j cap minus 3k cap equal to 7. This is vector r dot I cap plus 5j cap plus 3k cap equal to 9. So here Cartesian form is 2x plus 2y minus 3z. To take 7 on this side, it will be minus 7 equal to 0. Again you write this in Cartesian form. 2x 5y plus 3z. Take 9 on this side, it will be minus 9 equal to 0. These are the Cartesian forms. Where using this Cartesian forms, now you can solve the problem as we were solving previously. Same method you have to follow. Okay. I have converted vector form to Cartesian form. Next task is take the equation pi1 plus lambda times of pi2 equal to 0 and go on solving and get the answer. I will leave this as homework. Okay. All of you solve it and try to get the answer. Same. We have solved first problem and second problem. The same way we have to solve the third problem. They have given in the form of vector that I have converted to Cartesian form here. From here you take this formula, write pi1, pi2, find lambda value. From that you have to find the equation, required equation. Okay. I will leave this as a homework for all of you. Try to solve it. Clear? So that I can go for the next problems. Clear? Please reply me all of you. Will you do this as homework? Half of the problem is already done. I have solved vector form to Cartesian form. Use that Cartesian form in the equation pi1 plus lambda times of pi2 that we have done already in the above two problems. The same way you have to solve and you have to find the lambda value. Next you have to find the equation of plane. So that I can go for the next problem. Because it will be very useful for me to go for the next problems. For that's why I am asking. That's all. Clear? Okay. So see the next problems. That is distance of a point, distance of a point from a plane. Distance of a point from plane. I think all of you remember the formula distance of a point from plane. Okay. So here first you have to see what is the point, what is the plane. Here this is the point and this is the plane. Okay. So for that first you convert here the vector form to Cartesian form. Previously we have done the conversion of vector form to Cartesian form. You can see that. I will take vector form the form of Cartesian. First you see what is the point. Point is 2 comma 5 comma minus 3 and the plane is vector r dot psi cap minus 3j cap plus 2k cap equal to 4. If I write it in Cartesian form, it will be x minus 3y plus 2z. Take 4 on this side, minus 4 will be equal to 0. Now this is the point and this is the plane. This is point and this is plane. Okay. So from this, write the distance formula. Distance equal to mod of ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 minus d divided by root of a square plus b square plus c square. This is the distance formula. Using this distance formula, we can solve here. What are A, B, C? A is 6. B is -3. C is 2. D is -4. X1, Y1, Z1 is for 2, 5, -3. Using this, now you have to solve the answer. Quickly tell me, all of you, have you understood how I have utilized the formula and how I have written the point and also conversion of vector to Cartesian? Distance is ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 minus d divided by root of a square plus b square plus c square. That is the formula. So from that you can write all the points and you can utilize these values in the formula. Please tell me, all of you understood this? So now this will be a is 6, 6 into x1 is 2 plus b is -3. See, b is -3, y1 is 5, c is 2, z1 is -3, d is -4, minus into minus is +4 divided by root of a square is 6, 6 square is 36, b square is 9, c square is 4. Okay, this will be equal to mod of 12 minus 15 minus 6 plus 4 divided by root of here 36 plus 13. 36 plus 13 is 49. Therefore, your answer will be 12 plus 4 is 16 minus 15 is 1. So 1 minus 6 is -5. So 5 by 7 will be the answer. All of you quickly tell me, have you understood this or not? So quickly tell me, how many of you have got 5 by 7? Here I want to explain one very important term. So that's why I am asking, how many of you got 5 by 7? Please tell me. Okay. So most of you are telling that you have got 5 by 7. But see here, 5 by 7 is wrong. Please see here, 5 by 7 is wrong answer. Have to concentrate what I am telling now. Who all got 5 by 7? That is wrong answer. So here 5 by 7 is wrong answer. Most of the students do this. Most of the students do this and most of the students will get wrong answer. Therefore, they will get nearly 2 marks for this. 1 mark will be removed because of your answer. So 5 by 7 is wrong answer. Please remember. Then what is the answer? Can anyone tell me? Quickly tell me what will be the answer. Most of the students do this. That's why I am removing all these things. That's why I have explained you will get 5 by 7 because of most of the students do this. That's why I said this is wrong. That's why I have solved all these particular problems. That's why I say all of you to attend the live class, because in live class I can discuss all this thing with you. What happens in the offline class? You will directly see the video, you will take the answer and you will go. But you are not going to understand what is the concept. That's why please see here, my dear students, where most of the students do the wrong. Most of the students do wrong with this particular point. Most of the students do wrong with one particular point, that is here. See this. This is not -4. This is not -4. Please understand. This is not -4. Okay. Okay. I want to convert this vector form. I want to convert this vector form to Cartesian form. Okay. So while converting this vector form to Cartesian form, here this is not -4. That has to be taken as +4. Please understand. This will be +4. This will be +4. Please understand this. Most of the students do wrong with d value. Most of the students do wrong with d value. Okay. So here we must take it as +4. Clear? That will be here -4. This will be -4. Okay. Now you simplify it. 12 -15 -6 -4 divided by √49 is 7 will be 12 minus 15 is -3, -3 minus 6 is -9, -9 minus 4 is -13, mod of -13 is +13 divided by 7. This will be your answer, that is 13 by 7. Some of you have got the confusion, so please quickly tell me how many of you are confused. How many of you are confused? Please tell me. Here you have to understand the concept, that is very important. That's why I'm asking. Some of you got really confused, I know. Please tell me how many of you have got confused. I will explain it again. I will explain it again. Okay. Please tell me how many of you have got confused. You have understood, you can tell you have understood, no problem. Replies are very important. Okay, Lakshmi is telling that confused. What about others? Here, see here, who all got confused? Please see here. Equation of plane. Equation of plane is what? Equation of plane is vector r dot vector n equal to d, vector r dot n equal to d, and Cartesian equation is ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. According to this, what you are going to write? Vector r ai cap plus bj cap plus k cap equal to d. So understand this concept first. This is the vector equation. So here n can be written as ai cap plus bj cap plus k cap. This is your vector n. Okay. And in the vector form, d is present here. If d is present here, this is positive. D is present here, that is positive. But come to the Cartesian form, see this. Ax plus by plus cz plus d. Plus d is present here. Okay. So now you have to compare it with our problem. The problem what they have given? They have given vector r dot 6i cap minus 3j cap plus 2k cap equal to 4. Okay. And the point is 2 comma 5 comma minus 3. So now you have to compare this equation with this particular vector form. You compare this with particular vector form and tell me what is A. A is 6. What is B? B is minus 3. What is C? C is plus 2. What is D? See this. D is 4. Have you understood this? So clearly I have explained here. Okay. So when you convert this vector form to Cartesian form, you have to write it as 6x minus 3y x minus 3y 6x minus 3y plus 2z. See the d value. D value is 4. You have to write plus 4 equal to 0. Quickly tell me now, all of you, have you understood how to take A, B, C and D? That is very, very important. So in the vector form, D value, they will not give negative. Don't worry. The vector form, D value, they will not give negative. They can give negative it only in Cartesian form. They can give only negativity in Cartesian form. Don't worry about it. Okay. The vector form, D value will be always positive. Don't worry about that. So I think you have cleared one of the very important doubt where 99% of students always do this wrong. Okay. That's why I have explained it this much of clearly. Please understand it. Most of the students will solve it wrong. The exam because of that D value. That's why I am telling this all terms. Clear? Okay. Now coming to this problem. How many of you understood that answer is 13 by 7? If still some of you are getting confused about the D value, please tell me. I will explain it. If all of you have got the solution and if all of you are with clear, then tell me and give me thumbs up so that I can understand that all of you have understood the problem. Okay. Please reply with this. Okay. So very good. Now I will come back to this particular problem. Now I will come back to this particular problem. My question is what I should change the Cartesian form. What I should change in the Cartesian form. What I should change in the Cartesian form. Please quickly tell me. If you tell the answer for my question, then I can understand that all of you have understood what I have explained. Okay, quickly tell me. I want the answers. Which term I have to change? I has to change something. The Cartesian form. What should I change in the Cartesian form? The conversion of vector to Cartesian. The conversion of vector to Cartesian. What must I change here? Very good. I got one answer. What about others? Others also has to tell me. Very good. Very good. Sanjeev, Jyoti, Kaus, Purnima. All of you are giving the right answers. Very good. Very good. That means you have understood the concept. So now you can understand that why I kept this problem for homework. Now you can understand that why I already said that why this is for homework. I said this will be for homework because I knew that there will be some mistake, but no one have concentrated on that. That's why I came back and I have explained this. Okay, so that's why I have kept it for homework. Okay, so now all of you can solve it. All of you can solve it and you can get the right answers. Here, okay, no problem. Now we can continue with our problems. Here the distance is 13 by 7. Here the distance is 13 by 7. Now we can go for the second problem, that is distance of point from plane. Distance of point from plane. See the next question and tell me what are the ABC and D values. Quickly tell me what are the ABCD values. Here distance equal to mod of AX1 plus BY1 plus CZ1 minus D divided by root of A square plus B square plus C square. Quickly all of you solve it and tell me the answer. Solve it on your own. Quickly you also solve it and I will also solve it. Let us compare the answers. Don't waste the time. You also solve it. I will also solve it. And finally we can compare the answers. Solve it and tell me the answer. That is A is 2, x1 is 3, b is minus 1, y1 is minus 2, c is minus 2, z1 is 1, d is 3. Divided by A square is 4, B square is 1, square is 4. Therefore, mod of 6 plus 2 minus 2 minus 3 divided by 9, 10 root 14. Cancel this. 3 by root 14. Most of you are telling it as 1. So check your answers. 3 minus 2, 1. A is 2, B is minus 1, C is minus 2, D is 3. So here A square is 4. Here A square is 4. A square is 4. B square is 1. C square is 4. So that is 9. So this will be 3. Therefore 3 by 3 is 1. So 1 is the right answer. Anand, check your answer. Answer is 1. Veena, you also check your answer. Answer is 1. Jyoti, you also check your answer. Answer is 1. Adaf, 3 by 9 is not the answer. Root 9. 3 by root 9. 9 is 3. 3 by 3 is 1. Must get 1. See here A value is 2. B value is minus 1. C value is minus 2. A value is 2. B value is minus 1. C value is minus 2. Okay. X1 is 3. Y1 is minus 2. Z1 is plus 1. X1 is 3. Y1 is minus 2. Z1 is 1. Check your answers. Have done wrong, please correct it. Answer must be 1. 1 is the correct answer. Okay. We can go for angle between line and plane. Now we can go for angle between line and plane. Clear? So here first we shall solve angle between line and plane. What is given? X plus 1 by 2, y by 3, z minus 3 by 6. 10x plus 2y minus 11z equal to 3. Okay. So here this is line, and this is plane. Okay. So we have to find angle between line and plane. That is given by sin phi equal to mod of vector b dot vector n divided by mod of b into mod of n. Mod of b dot n divided by mod of b into mod of n. Okay. My dear students, here this has to be converted in the form of vector r equal to vector a plus lambda times of b. The equation of line has to be converted to vector r equal to vector a plus lambda times of vector b. Vector r will be equal to, write this vector a, this terms. Write vector a, you need x1, y1, z1. Write vector a, you need x1, y1, z1. Is in the form of x minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b, z minus z1 by c. Clear? So A x1 will be, see here, if it is plus 1, we have to take it as minus 1. Y, y1 is 0 here because only y is present, y minus 0. Okay, y1 is 0. And here you can see minus 3 is present for z1, that will be plus. Please remember this trick. Write vector A. Writing vector A is very important because equation of line has to be converted to the form of vector R equal to vector A plus lambda times of vector B. To write that vector A, need x1, y1, z1. Write this x1, y1, z1, y1, z1. I am writing here. The x1 value is plus 1, you have to write it as minus 1. Y1 is 0, write it as 0. Z1 is minus 3, that you have to take it as plus 3. So now this will be minus I cap plus 3k cap. There will be no j cap because this is 0. That's why no j cap. Lambda times of b vector is, say this, 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 6k cap. Your equation of line. Here all is about your knowledge. Here all is about your knowledge. This type of knowledge comes only when you attend the live classes and you hear live, because in recorded videos you can't ask doubts, can't clarify your any confusions. That's why I say all of you to attend the regular class, the live form. So quickly tell me now, how many of you understood this conversion of a line from Cartesian to vector? From Cartesian to vector. This is important. Quickly tell me. If you have doubts, you can ask. Quickly tell me. If you have doubts, you can ask. Otherwise, I will continue. Otherwise, I will continue. Okay. Quickly tell me. If you have any doubts, you can ask. And everything I have explained here, so I feel that all of you can understand it. But still, if you have any confusion, you can ask it. Okay. All of you are telling it as yes, that I will continue. Now, here, vector B, 2i cap plus 3j cap plus ck cap. That is sin phi equal to mod of B is 2i cap plus 3j cap plus k cap dot. Now, if you want to write n, see this, 10i cap, see this, plus 2j cap, and from this minus 11k cap divided by, that will be root of 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, square is 36, root of 10 square is 100, 2 square is 4, I think 11 square is 121. Quickly check all the terms. Quickly check all the terms. Now 2i cap dot 10i cap is 20. 3j cap plus 2j cap is 6. 6k cap minus 11k cap is minus 66 divided by is 40 plus 9, 49, that is 7. 125. 125 plus 100, that is 225. What is square root of 225? Quickly tell me what is root 25? 225. Very good. 15. 7 into 15. Okay. Very good. Now simplify this. 26 minus 66. 26 minus 66 is minus 40. Mod of minus 40 is plus 40. I will write here 26 minus 66 is minus 40. Mod of minus 40 is plus 40. 7 into 15. If you simplify it, you can get the answer. 5 into 3, 5 into 8. So 8 by 21. 8 by 21 will be the answer. You can see that mod of minus 40 is plus 40. 8 by 21 will be the correct answer. Now you got sin phi equal to 8 by 21 is sin phi equal to 8 by 21 or phi equal to sin inverse of 8 by 21. This is your final answer. Here, quickly all of you reply me. Have you understood this? Shall I leave the second problem as homework? I leave the second problem as homework. Of you have understood means please tell me as yes. And if you want problem as homework, then tell me. I will leave this as homework. Second problem has to solve or you will solve on yourself. Has to solve or you will solve on yourself. So if we finish this, I think all the important problems of three-dimensional geometry is over. All the important problems of three-dimensional geometry is over. The role of this problem was to find the angle between line and plane. We are finding the angle between line and plane. Okay. So if there is a line, there is a line and there is a plane like this. They are intersecting each other. This is theta. We are finding that angle. This is the role. Samarth, I think you got your answer. All of you, please tell me how you are preparing for your board exams. Are you preparing for your board exams or not? Or only Pawan sir is preparing for your board exams? Pawan sir is already completed his all 12th standard degree, PG, everything he has been completed. No, for him there is no reasons to write all these problems or there are no reasons to take the classes. Already syllabus is also over. Just because of all of you, I am solving these problems. Please understand that and attend regularly. Okay. So Chaitra, you can attend. Sorry, you can see the video again. So if you get the doubts, then you can ask. Clear? All of you, please tell me how you are preparing for your board exams and what is going with all of you. Please be in home. Take care of yourself. Always your family also. Okay. And please tell me how you are preparing for your board exams. You preparing or are you simply eating and sleeping in the home? Okay, Veena is asking to revise graph of LPP. Veena, I will explain the graph of LPP. As I said, I will explain in the uh, live class. So once you see here, see first you what you have to do, you have to draw all three lines like this. Check true or false. First you draw the line. Next check true or false. So once you check true or false, you will get feasible region. After getting the feasible region, to find this point, solve this line and this line. This point is already given on the y-axis. This point is already given on the y-axis. To solve this point, solve the equation of these two lines. Okay. So for A, you solve L1 and this L2. For this B, again you solve L1 and L3. For B, you have to solve L1 and L3. For A, you have to solve L1 and L2. Okay, these are the equations that you have to use for the feasible region. You check true or false and draw the feasible region correctly. Take the corner points. Then you can solve the equation L1 and L2 for A, L1 and L3 for B. This point, on which lines this point is present, that you have to solve. A is present on L1 and L2, that you have to solve. B is present on L1 and L3, that you have to solve. I think your doubt is cleared. Once you try this, if you don't get the answer, you can ask again, no problem. I will clarify it. Okay, what about the next chapter? Quickly tell me. So what about next chapter? Quickly. What about the next chapter? Probability or any another chapters? Lakshmi is telling probability. What about all? If you all are very good at probability, I will go for the other chapters. Otherwise, I will go for probability. If all of you are good at probability, no problem. I can go for the other chapters. Now two chapters has been covered. What is your exam date? As if now your exam date is what? So two members are telling probability. What about others? I'm waiting for your answers. I has to end this class. So tell me. Okay, you can message to the WhatsApp groups. We'll end this class. So maximum members which chapter will tell to start. I will start that chapter. Okay.